Hello, my name is Ariowit and today I will show you how to disable and enable Windows Defender in Windows 10. But first, you leave like and subscribe and we start this tutorial. So first, we click in the searching and write here Windows. Right, and we have here Windows settings protection function. Here and next we click here and we have protection Windows, and now next protection against virus and threat. We click here and next manage settings, and here we have protection in real time. Now I have on and we setting it on turn off. Yes, and that's all. If you have enable Windows Defender, it only turn on, and that's all. Okay guys, it was fast tutorial which help you for 100%. I have hope that I help you, so you leave like and subscribe. Bye bye and see you next time. Bye. Okay. Bye.